What's good, bro? You from Turkey?
Yes, Turkey.
Did you get hit by the earthquake? Aw, you alright, bro?
I'm from Eskişehir, Turkey.
You okay?
Turkey.
Yeah, I know. I'm asking, did you get hit by the earthquake? You alright?
Yes.
It's sad, isn't it, bro? Aw. Hey, bro, what's your PayPal? Yo, you're crying? Yo, are you okay? No, what happened? Oh my god, no, bruh. Oh my god. Is he okay? That was the earthquake? No, bruh, chill, bruh. No, bruh. Oh my gosh. No, no, no, no, no, no, no. No, bruh. What just happened? Oh my goodness, bro. Is he okay, chat? Yo, what's up?
Good, what's up?
Who was that? That's your son?
My cousin.
Yo, cuz. Oh, look. Hey, look, though. Y'all look great today. Where y'all from?
We from Turkey, where you from?
Oh, I'm from Portugal. Hey, are y'all okay because of the incident, you know?
Yeah, we are okay, but so many people die,
I
So
know. I
bad.
mean, yeah, I know. Is your family okay?
Yeah, we are family, we are good.
All right, that's good. That's great. That's great. I showed my support. I donated a lot, to the foundation of Turkey, because I care about.
Wait, I think I know you.
Who am I?
You, you're YouTuber, right? Speed. I don't know.
Oh no, I get that all the
I
time. Yeah, yeah.
No, no, no. Yesterday, I think I see your donates for Turkey.
Oh, oh yeah, yeah. I know you talking about. Yeah, I look just like him, but
Thank
that's not
you.
me though.
Thank
But
you,
look though,
bro. Thank you.
yeah.
Really, thank you.
I look though. How? It look though. How old are you though?
We are 18. You?
You're, I'm 19.
Eight.
Oh, he's 8.
18. Yeah.
8, 18. Hey, look, dog. Hey, look, I got a simple, solid question though. If you could rate me 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
What?
I have a simple, solid question. If you could rate me 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
I don't know. My English is so bad. I'm sorry. I'm Turkish,
I have
bro.
a super solid question. If you could rate me 1 through 10, what would you rate me?
1 to 10.
Yeah.
For you? Okay, 10, bro. Well, I like your hair. Yeah.
Hey, look though. Can I get your Snapchat though?
Yeah, of course.
All right, bet. Yeah. Let me get your Snapchat. Are you from Turkey? Are, are you okay? Turkey. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes. Kanka sorsana ünlü mü?
Do you have any? Do you have any injuries?
You live in Istanbul.
What?
Istanbul.
Kiss.
We're not in the earthquake area. It's
Oh.
far away from us.
Oh, it's far away from y'all?
Kanka ünlü mü diye sorsana. Are you famous?
What?
Are you famous?
No.
I don't think so. You're lying, I think.
Nah. I just wanted to see if my Turkey people was.
Can you scream one time?
Can I stream one time? Bro, I'm trying to see if you okay. And you sit here like, bro.
Wait.
And you from Turkey? Bro, fuck you mean? Wait. Nah, what the fuck, bro? They acting like they ain't even like. Yo, you from Turkey?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes. Why? Sweet?
What you mean? Why?
Do you like sweet? Black sweet? It's very nice.
Bro, I'm talking about the turkey situation.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. We are okay right now. Thank you from donate. Yes, thank you.
All right, now what did you ask me?
Can I make Mr. Beast meme?
What? Yeah, what?
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Sorry, I'm really. So you are real, okay? I'm.
Man, what the fuck?
You know, I'm your big fan.
What the hell was that?
Sorry.
Thank you, bro. You know what, bro? I love you, bro. My turkey fellow mate, man.
Thank you. We love you too.
Thank
All
you,
Turkey.
Thank you, bro. Love you, bro. Seriously, bro. From the bottom of my heart, bro.
Okay. So goodbye.
Goodbye. Turkey, bro. Turkey is something else, bro. What the hell?
Hello.
Yo, you fine as hell. You from Turkey?
Yes, Turkey.
How old are you?
I'm fine.
I said, how
You?
old are you?
Ah, bitti. Benim İngilizce buraya kadar.
Hey, how old are you? How old are you? Yo, Turkey. Are you okay?
Okay.
What about the earthquake? Like you didn't get hit, right?
Kanka çok kötü bir durummuş. How old are you?
I'm 19. How old are you?
Me too.
You're 19 too?
Yes.
Hey, rate me 1 to 10 real quick.
What are nationality? Where are you from?
I'm from Saudi Arabia.
What? Try again.
Where I'm from? I'm from Saudi Arabia. Salam alaikum. Assalam.
Sen Türksün, Türk.
You said what?
Türksün sen, Türk. You Turkish.
Yeah, I am.
Sen beni nereden görüyorsun? Türk mü Türk? Adını sikeyim ya. La bilmiyorum, İngilizce bilmiyorum.
I feel like something.
Mamin. Çeviri aç.
Translate. Okay.
You are lovely.
I'm lovely.
Yes.
You're lovely too. Yo, can I get your Snapchat?
Thank you. Snapchat. Yes, Snapchat.
Yeah, let me text you on Snapchat.
Yes.
Yeah, let me get your Snap.
N E
E
S I Woman. Stop.
What?
Bir dakika.
Black? Are you racist?
Bir dakika. Nereye gittin ya?
Wait. Stay right here.
Işık.
Wait. Wait. I had to switch up my camera.
Look at me.
I had to switch up my camera. My camera went dead.
Turn on the light. Is your internet gone?
What did you say?
Turn on the light. Is your internet gone?
Oh, okay. All right, I will. Okay. All right, can you see me now?
Yes.
All right, there we go.
Wait, I will give SC. Wait, I will give SC.
All right, give it.
Buradan çıkartma. Buradan arkadaş bakıyoruz mu? Ama kullanıcı adımı bilmiyorum. You.
NISI. You. Just show me.
Çete yaz, çete yaz.
But just. She was taking too long, bro. She did that. Yo, what's good, bro? Yo, didn't I get you? No, chat, was that him? Chat, was that the guy who? No, why'd he skin me? Was that him? Why'd he skin me? I'm glad he okay though, bro. I'm so glad he okay, bro. It was, oh my god. Like on a real note.
That's not.
Yo, bro, you from Turkey?
You from Turkey?
Your face is similar.
Hey, I just met somebody from Turkey. And when I asked, and look, when I asked about the situation, he got sad. And like, did anything happen?
My city is safe, but other cities are destroyed. Thank you, bro. Are you a TikToker? Your face is similar. I know you.
I feel bad. All right, chat, y'all. What country we about to go to now, y'all? Really?
One time. Scream. Aa bu yine denk.
Hey, why was y'all doing that? Hey, look, Ronaldo or Messi?
Ronaldo, definitely.
Y'all were trained right. Who raised y'all?
What?
Who raised y'all?
Oh, man. We don't understand it.
Who raised y'all?
We don't understand it. Finish English. Where English is finished.
Y'all speaking fluent English though. Who raised y'all?
Can you 1 minute.
Ya 2 dakika beklemesen söylesen Yaz'a soracağım. Yaz biliyor.
1 minute. Wait, we are asking to our friend.
No. What's her age?
She's 16. I'm 15. She's 16.